I am live and in color. Thought it was appropriate to go live for this announcement, so I'll take a little break from what I'm doing here. I'm extremely busy. I got the camera set up on an engine. I got lemonade in the background, some other Volvo activity in the background, and I just want to make this announcement on the channel live and in color. So I made a announcement not too long ago that hey, I was trying to get my 100,000 subscriber plaque from YouTube. I went over 100,000 subscribers. It was actually Independence Day in 2018, July 4th, 2018. I went over 100,000 subscribers, and YouTube was supposed to send me a email, which they may have. I probably missed the email. I went a couple years not really concerned about it, and a couple years ago, two and a half, actually, yeah, 2.5, almost 3 years ago, I went to Seattle, picked up lemonade, and I met one of my supporters. I'm gonna give a shout out to Betsy. Betsy was like, man, I never see your 100,000 subscriber plaque. Where's that at? I said, I ain't really concerned. She's like, what? No, you need to get that. Betsy got beside herself saying, I need to get my plaque. She tried to get my credentials and get it for me. She did some research. She's like, Robert, get your plaque, get your plaque. So a couple weeks ago, I had a few minutes because I was inside in the heat, man. It was so hot out here. Almost like it is now, can't hardly work. So I went inside. I decided, hey, let me do some research, see if I get the plaque. After about 4 or 5 days going back and forth with YouTube, they said, all right, we think you deserve it. I'm at almost 240,000 subscribers. Come on, man, give me a break. They said, well, we believe that people have to deserve it. They got to have original content and follow our guidelines, whatever, man. I'm here being as neat as I could be. Anyway, they shipped this thing like 10 days ago. Kept getting hung up in the mail. And look what came in the mail finally today. The YouTube plaque. So, I'm going to open it up with you guys with me. I'm sorry this glare's in the background, but it's either that or get out in the sun, I guess. I can just go out in the sun. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Let's get out in the sun. Wow, it is hot out here. Trying not to take too much time because I am as busy as a beaver trying to get some work done. I can't mess with that too long. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And I owe it to you guys, my subscribers and supporters, for helping me and supporting me with subscriptions and stuff like that. I'm not in front of my computer, so I can't really read this. Retro Revolutions. That yellow T5R looking good. Yes, sir. Man, my wife said, hey, this needs to be the best looking Volvo on the planet. She said, let's get this thing looking good. So we did. We spent a couple days get that thing looking good, and we're doing our best to keep it looking good. So I painted those rails up there. I call them 5-footers. From 5 foot away, they look incredible. I rattle candy. But hey, very few people are that close. So you got the box here. You open it up. It's got this thing here. Got a little piece of foam that covers it. Woo! It's got a little letter here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. See here, it only says I needed subscribers. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. What's up, Rick? If your award was a damage during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us. YouTube Creator Society Awards. Do you remember your first subscriber? I actually don't, because I had subscribers before I knew I had a channel. Your 100th subscriber? you're a 1,000 subscriber, chances are you do. They don't know me. I remember some of the guys that reached out to me first, but not really my first subscriber. So when I started my channel, I asked God, I said, hey, God, should I hide behind the camera? You know, this is when the internet was still like the wild, wild west. People would get on there and do all kind of stupid things, say all kind of stupid things. And they used to get kind of aggressive with racial stuff. Well, I asked God, I said, you want me to hide behind the camera or what? He said, no, I want you to do one better than that. He said, I want you to be accountable for what you publish. Let me get something, try to get this thing leveled out. I'll use this knife, my junkyard found knife. So instead of hiding behind the camera, I actually put my phone number on there. I let people call me, ask me questions about the issues they were having. Distracted. Chances are you do. We know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube. Now, when subscribers come up, they don't tell me. So I don't even know how many subscribers I have. Occasionally, I'll check, and I can't tell who was number 1 or number 50 or number 200,000. It don't tell me that nowhere. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone with reaching 100,000 subscribers. That's what that letter looks like. 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Now, when YouTube was hitting 10 years ago, man, like people used to purchase subscribers. I had a friend, he used to purchase 20, 30,000 subscribers at a time, but Google cleaned a lot of that mess up. To honor your impressive milestone, reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Award, congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community. We know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment to creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? Sincerely, Neil, YouTube CEO. And here it is, folks, with no further delay. This is it. My plaque. Recognize my team. This is presented to Robert DIY Spinner for passing 100,000 subscribers. There it is, folks. Look at that glitter. And I thank you folks, man. You folks help me by watching and recommending people watch and all that kind of stuff. So, hey, I want to say thanks. I appreciate you. Thanks for Betsy for pushing me a little bit harder and putting it in my head that I should reach out and get this thing, get that behind me. And now I can hang this on the back of my wall. And whenever the electric company send me a message saying that I'm a couple days behind, I can show them this. And they'll have faith that I'll be able to work it out and get my electric bill paid. That's kind of an inside joke with me. I always tell people I can't pay my bills with these awards I get, so I'm not that attached to it. But hey, thank you all. I appreciate you tuning in. And hey, hope you guys have a great day. God bless.